It's been a year and a half since we launched the first phone from Poco. I'm extremely excited to be back here. So, hi guys, my name is Manmohan, and I'm the General Manager at Poco in India. Firstly, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to all the Poco fans. Can we hear a cheer from the Poco fans? Yeah! And thank you so much to all my media friends who have joined us here. And a special warm welcome to all the people from the competing brands as well, who are probably joining us live online. Yeah! So guys, I am here to talk about our next product. But before we talk about our next product, let's start by understanding what we as Poco stand for. At Poco, we believe in 3 core pillars. 1, technology that matters. As Poco, we'll focus always on the features that really make a functional use. It changes your day-to-day usage. But we will not focus on those features which probably look good on a poster, but not really have an impact in your daily life. But how do we do this? That's by democratizing decision-making. What we do is we constantly engage with folks like you. Yeah? Yes. We constantly engage with folks like you and try to understand what are the things that actually make a difference. But as we all know, today's customer needs always keep changing. And so we are always evolving. Let me take an example. Everyone remembers Poco F1, right? Yeah, it's a brilliant of a phone. We launched it in August of 2018, and we kept adding feature after feature after feature. Even today, we are adding features. As you can see, we added the 960 FPS slow motion recording, the night photography, and of course, the legendary wide one L1. Yeah? Yes. So the wide one L1, we were the first brands to actually give that as an update via OTA. Probably this is why Poco F1 still remains the most liked smartphone on GSM Arena. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you so much. It is just because of your love and affection, guys. It's just because of your love and affection. But taking the spirit forward, we are bringing the Android 10 update to all of you guys who are using Poco F1. Thank you. The rollout has already started, so you should be getting it soon. Pretty much, this sums up our philosophy. Everything you need and nothing you don't. What do I mean by this philosophy? So the phone which we are planning to launch is focused on gaming and tech enthusiasts. When we had a word with them, they said that we would want long-lasting battery, curved display, higher refresh rate, faster charging, and cooling mechanism, and many more. But of course, this is what they wanted. So what we did was something interesting. We actually brought them into a focus groups and gave them phones which had one or many of these features. What we then observed is what are the features that they were actually using and had an impact on their gaming and high-performance tasks. Here, the ones which are marked in yellow are the ones that really made a difference in their experience. So at Poco, we will focus on everything you need, but we will not focus on the features that is not going to add value. So that's how we take the decision